Hi everyone, Dheeraj here. From today we have started the series of Next.js application, and in this series we will learn about the Next.js, and we will start from the beginning and try to explore more and more concept about the Next.js. So in this video we'll learn about what is the Next.js, and we will also explore a little bit about the Next.js, and then after we will create an application, and then after we will modify something inside our application so that we can be able to know little bit about the Next.js. So, right. So basically, what is the Next.js? Next.js is a React.js framework, and that is basically used for creating that React.js application. And this will help us to develop the React.js application uh, fastly, and it will take the less effort, right? So for that purpose, now we are going to create a Next.js application. So for creating the Next.js application, we have three commands that either we can use the npx and then after create, and here we need to type the next dash app, and then after here we need to type the next app name, right? This one is the first command. We can also use at the place of npx we can use the npm command also for creating our application. And the third command is yarn command, and we will create our application using the yarn command. For running the yarn on your system, yarn should be installed. If that is not installed on your system, then please go and install that also before starting this application. So I'm just using the yarn command, and then after I'm typing the create, and here we have to type the next dash app, and here we need to type next demo, that is app name, and we need to wait little bit for running this application. Once the application will be started, then we will go for the further, right? Right, and now after application has been created, now at first we will switch to our folder, that is the next demo, and then for running this application we have to use the command yarn space demo, right? Now our server has been started, so we will just open our browser, and type in localhost 3000 on the port, and this is basically the default page of the Next.js application, and that will be appear if we will create our application using the create next command, right? So this is our default page. Now we will open our VS Code and modify, and our first target is to just remove all things and print this is our home page, right? So for that purpose, I'm just opening my VS Code. I'm going to open my VS Code. So at first I need to open my VS Code. Yes, and now I'm going to my application folder, and this one is the next demo application. Yes. Now inside the Next.js, all things will be appear inside the pages folder. That is all the routes that will be appear inside the pages folder, and the default setting of the pages folder, that is the page that is default appear on our browser, that is had been written inside the index file. So I'm just what I'm doing here, I'm just going to the index.js file, and here I'm going to creating my own route, right? And I'm creating my own page. I'm writing home page, and I do not need to passing any props right now. So I am typing here, and then after I'm just adding right? Then after, and this is our home page, right? This is our default, this is our message that we want to print. And here I'm going to export this file, export this page, default and home page, right? Now I am going to open my browser and just check what will be happen. Yes, this is our home page. Now our second target, what will how we can be able to create our next route. Just if you want to create a about page, then how we can be able to do that, right? So for that purpose, again we go to our VS Code, and inside the pages folder, we will just create a about page, about.js file, right? So here again I am writing this page and about page, and here returning div, this is our about page. That's right. I am exporting this file, export default and about page, right? Now our about page has been created. Now we are going to open the browser, right? And this is our home page. I am changing the route, just about, and this is our about page. So this way we can be able to create the route also, or create the pages also inside our Next.js application, right? So what I am going to change something. Do we need to change something more inside this inside our application? Yeah. So again I am going to VS Code. Just I am opening my VS Code, and what I am going to do right now, I am just creating a folder inside the pages, and that will be writing the contact, right? And inside the contact I am just creating a index file, index.js, right? And here I am writing function contact page, right? And here I am just passing the props. There is no need to passing the props right now. And return this is our, just type inside the caps, this is our contact page, not edge, yeah. And finally we have to export this file, default and contact page, right? So this is our default that now we will go to the our browser, right? Inside the browser, this is our default home page. After typing this, we will go to the about page, and if you type the contact, this is your contact page. So what is basically happened here? So what is happening here? So I'm just again opening my VS Code, and and try to explain about these things. Basically, inside the pages, inside the pages, the default file that is basically used as a page will be the index page, right? So if we write anything inside this page, then that will be loaded at first, right? Then after it will take the with the file name. That is, if you type the about, then it will load the about page. But if we create a folder, then inside that folder it will take with the index page also. That is, inside that folder, index is the high priority. So if you write something inside the contact folder and and try to open that page, then with the help of that folder name, that page will be loaded. So this is all about the Next.js basic concept, and in this video we have tried to learn about how to create the Next.js application, and then after try to a little bit explore more about the routes, how we can be able to create the pages, and how we can be able to open that pages using that routes. So this is all about the today's video. In the next video we will learn more about the links and pages and everything about the routes related things. So this is all about the today's video, and if you like the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Until now, goodbye, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you so much.